Cancer, hello, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Madam J, and I will be doing something different for the month of June. I am going to be doing Ratchet Family Feud because your spirit guides came to me and they want to get some different messages out there. Like they wanted to dig deep, deep, deep into what's going on. So let's get started. And make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and give me feedback on my readings. If you don't feel comfortable leaving a comment, you can email me. All right, Cancer, I have you as the Robert L. Johnson of your family. And if you know who that is or don't know who that is the founder of BET. He also currently now has the Urban Movie Channel. All right, now family members involved. Cancer, I have Pisces, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries, and also Aquarius. So once again, the signs, your family signs or friend signs, take it as it resonates. It's Aquarius, Aries, Sagittarius, Scorpio, and Pisces. All right, Cancer, let's see what's your possible professions that you are working right now. I have a waitress, a novelist, a writer. I also have a video film producer, a video or a film producer, an actress, makeup artist, a stripper, undercover fad agent. Now, these may be some of your professions that you work, or this could be the professions pertaining to you and whatever you got going on in your lifestyle. Take it as it resonates. We'll see as the storyline develops. Nail tech, judge, police officer, secretary, a clerk, a set designer, and okay, so FBI is involved in this. One of you may be an FBI agent, mortgage loan processor, and I have a playwright. Also, this undercover cop and librarian, hairstylist. All right, let's see some of the professions for involving your family members, friends, or whoever is involved in this storyline. We have a salon owner, Secret Service, janitor, somebody's unemployed. I have a psychic medium, a musician, the CIA, and a teacher. And pull a couple more, a realtor, and a barber. And a chemist. Cancer, I also have you may be a chef and a local rapper, male or female. All right, that's enough for the professions. Okay, let's see. Let's get to the family feud. All right, Cancer. Let's see what's going on. First, I can see that you are a leader in whatever you do. Probably the star of the family. You also may do intellectual work, planning, and negotiations with the Two of Wands right here. You also had a decision to make. This one right here doesn't bring you any results, no fruit here. But this is opportunity you're leaning towards. You may be willing to travel the world with this decision. You're also manifesting, putting in job applications, investing, starting a business, probably being an apprentice, also in school. You could also be dealing with students as well. This also is a business idea that you may have. Now, to me, this is the prison guard. Also represents jobs with speech pathologists and special needs and therapy. So, Cancer, before I get to the family feud, I'm hearing some of you may have made a wrong choice when you were younger. And because of that, you ended up in a youth detention center. You connected with a guard there, and that guard actually helped you to take that blindfold off and to see the amazing power that you hold within. This is what Spirit is telling me. That's for someone, not everybody. Let's get back to this Ratchet family feud, though. Let's see what's going on. Spirit, show us. Universe, spirit guides, ancestors, angels, show us what Cancer needs to know. I have stopped using people, so some of you are using people. I have, your mother is jealous of you. You may feel like that, Cancer. If you feel like that, it's the truth. Your best friend is sleeping with your man, and I actually got this, put it back in the cards, shuffled it, and got it again. So, Cancer, your best friend is sleeping with your man. Some of you are getting married. I see your family is jealous of you because you're getting married. Well, fuck them, Cancer. Your mama tells everyone your business. Stop talking to your mama. Stop. I know you want to have a best friend. No, your mom is not your best friend. She's messy. And take it as it resonates. This is not for everybody. This is for some people. You know your situation. You are gifted. You are right here in your energy. Maybe a healer, psychic, medium, intuitive. You went within. You went within after coming out of this situation that kept you feeling lost and blindfolded. Folded. Eight of Swords and Queen of Cups. You went within. You took that blindfold off. You listened to the messages of the higher ups. And you tapped in. Now you're headed towards a rebirth. The old way of life has ended for you. A new way of life is beginning. Oh, goodness. Cancer, you may also be a healer, a counselor, or a psychic, as we know. And with this death and rebirth card, you may be a funeral director. Let me find out. Are you overwhelmed since COVID hit? A lot of debts you've seen. You may also be in the army, a taxman, a career advisor, a financial advisor. We did have mortgage loan processor, insurance broker. You may also be a drug abuse counselor, working with kids and adults that don't see their greatest potential, but you do. That's a good feel. Cancer, keep up the good work. All right, back to what's going on. The spirit had to tell me to get that message out. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. All right. Oh, goodness. All right, we have your stepdad is beating on your mom. Bop his fucking ass. Excuse my language. Don't let nobody beat on your mama. I don't care if your mama gossiping about your business. Pop his fucking ass. You are a celebrity rapper. Female. All right, Cancer. We got Lil Kim. Your mate is cheating. Telekinesis is your superpower. You buy hair before you pay your light bill. Cancer, I'm going to need you to stop, okay? Put your priorities first. We know you want to look pretty, but pay that damn light bill before you buy hair, okay? Your whole family is Ratchet, Cancer. And y'all taking y'all ratchet asses to Puerto Rico. Now, this may be for a not-so-ratchet family, but if y'all ratchet and going to Puerto Rico, oh, God, good God. Whew. Trip of a lifetime. Cancer, you can talk to the dead. You're a medium. So can I. Okay, I'm hearing wear the black wig with the bang. So Spirit likes that wig, Cancer. You have a black wig with a bang on. Spirit says they like that. Wear that. All right, I'm serious. Take these. Your brother is down low. Cancer, clean up. Spirit said clean up. Yes. Clean yourself up. Clean your house up. Clean your life up, Cancer. And say no. Say no. Cancer, we did have stripper come out as one of these damn profession cards. You were secretly stripping. You don't want your family to know. Now, somebody else got this. Who was the last reading? Gemini. Or was it Aquarius? I think it was Aquarius. And that came up. Your stepmom is poisoning your dad. So you may have an Aquarian sibling or a Gemini sibling, but I believe it was Aquarius was the last one that I did. I'm not sure. But this also came up. Your stepmom is poisoning your dad for insurance money. So you may have a sibling that's of that sign. Y'all need to get to the bottom of that. Your dad just got sick out the damn blue. Cancer. Oh my goodness, I know a Cancer. Oh shit. Oh God. Anyway. Whew, that's heavy. Spirit telling. Yes, tell it, Spirit. Cancer, you are the side piece. Cancer, your life is a movie. Write about it. I did have the novelist and I have the film producer. Write about it. Do a screenplay. I have a playwright over here as well. They hate that you shine. Your aunt cannot cook. So please volunteer somebody else for the barbecues and the cookouts. Cancer, your sister is a kind artist. Or you might be for the cross watch. You got someone else pregnant and your sister told. She knows. For the Cancer male and for the Cancer female, you may be pregnant for somebody else. Your dad is cheating with your aunt, your mom's sister. Mm, 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 mm. Cancer, what y'all got going on? Y'all little ratchet asses. Your nephew is on drugs, Cancer. Cancer, I have your family is jealous of you, but you already know that. Everyone loves you. You are the most successful in your family, yes. That's why they jealous. Robert Johnson, BET. You getting that BET money, Cancer? Starting a new project, a new streaming service? I do see that you are a leader. You are a teacher and also an entrepreneur. A magician as well. A master magician. Maybe writing a book about being a magician or working on a movie about being a magician. Yes. All right, Cancer, we're going to wrap this up. You may be starting a business because a magician represents sales, computers, phones, and internet and communication. And we got Robert Johnson. So you may be starting a business, a streaming service, here an internet service, a social media service, a new social media app, a dating app is what Spirit is telling me. This is for somebody in particular. You also may be writing a how-to book for those that are in the IT industry. Cancer, your female cousin stole your money. Check your credit report. Somebody's using your social security number. Stop squeezing your feet in those shoes, Cancer. To me, that also means Spirit telling me again, this came up in another reading. Squeezing your feet in the shoes is stop trying to walk in the shoes you can't fit. Trying to live up to everybody else's expectations. Cancer, you are a celebrity rapper, a male. All right. Don't eat from your cousin, Cancer. Your aunt can't cook. Your cousin nasty. Wear the white dress. Where y'all going? You going somewhere with Gemini and Aquarius? All right, this is going to be the last little few, Cancer. I have stopped telling your business. Once again. Cancer, you stole your sister's money. Cancer, your nails look pretty. That's what Spirit said. One of you may have just got your nails done or you're working on your nails, but Spirit said those nails look pretty. Yes. All right. So, you need to make a decision. You manifested this opportunity. You want to start a new business venture, but you're kind of afraid because you're new at this. And you don't know which direction. You haven't done this before. So you can't see which approach you need to take, but you know it. You don't need to see, you know it here. You have it here in your third eye. You're intuitive. And you manifested this, which means you visualized it. Here, this is you meditating. You don't need to see. Take that risk. Write that book. Write that movie. Draw that artwork. Some of you are artists and painters, I'm hearing. Work on that mural. Some of you are afraid to fly, literally and symbolically, because you've had the bondages of held on so long. You've held yourself back, not seeing your full potential for so long that you're afraid to fly. Take that damn blindfold off. Tap into your magician energy, Cancer. You're magical. We were sent here to this universe to live out our magic in human form. It's time, Cancer, to manifest the life you've been dreaming of since you were younger. This is something you've always wanted to do, but you were holding yourself back by being afraid. Let go. Let go and let God. Have faith. Walk in faith and not by sight. You understand? Because a new beginning awaits you. The old is being taken away for the new to come. It's a new day coming. You're stepping into your magician power. You got on your cloak. Red represents power. This you. Manifesting a better life for yourself, but scared to walk forward. How can you ask for things you're not ready for? Stop asking for things you're not ready for. It's time to move forward. It's time to take that risk. It's time to start that new job, that new project, that new business. Meet new people. Go new places to network. And that's what, it's funny because Robert says network to network. Yes. Get outside your damn comfort zone. Network to net worth. Which means you have to meet people that can get you in those places. That open doors for you so you can get your money up. Cancer, you also may be a Cancer Leo on the cusp. I have this Queen of Wands. I wanted to say that earlier. You're a leader. You're an entrepreneur. You're giving birth to a new you. You're going from that scared, timid Cancer energy, the psychic, the healer, to the damn witch. The professional witch. Manifesting, bold, standing in your fire, Leo power. That Leo energy. The magician. Yes. It's time. Stop holding yourself back. Step into your power. Step into your power. Yes, it's all in your hands. I'm hearing something about children's books. Spirit said, you want to write children's books. I would say, go online. Go to the library if it's open. And just follow the path or follow those books for a guideline. Because you may be stuck. You don't know exactly what you want to do. But add yourself to it. Like Bob also says, overlooked markets are right in front of you. You can write about children in poverty, and how creative they are, and how they use their imagination. Write about the little homeless girl who wishes that she was a magician to blank herself out of her current reality. Like the opportunities and ideas are endless, Cancer. What else Bob says? Interrupt regularly scheduled programming. To me, that means step outside of your day-to-day, your comfort zone. Step outside what everybody else is doing and do something new. Cancer? And definitely take yourself away from these ratchet-ass family members that you have. Because you're the magician of the family and they're just jealous. Okay. I'm going to pull... this was on top. I'm going to pull a couple of more. And then we're going to end this, Cancer. But Spirit said, nice song you just wrote. Somebody else just got this. Whatever the last reading was, I believe. It might have been Gemini. I don't know. Pamper yourself, Cancer. It's time. You need a makeover. Your favorite cousin is jealous of you, Cancer. And I have stop letting people use you. Your dad is the devil. Your daddy may be discouraging you and may have been discouraging you for years since you were a child, trying to keep you from tapping into your power because your daddy knew you was powerful, Cancer. But he did everything he could because he wasn't worth shit. He did everything he could to hold you back. Probably was an absent parent. Well, he was dead to you. Well, you probably done came up. Now he's trying to rebirth that damn relationship. Nah, forgive. The Spirit said keep your distance, Cancer. Everybody doesn't have good intentions for you. That's what Spirit says. Spirit also said your uncle is a damn perv. Your mate is not working late, Cancer. For those of you who was feeling like that. All right. Cancer, you are magical. Look at this shit. You are magical. You're a fucking magician. I just said that. Tap into your power. Whatever industry you're in, tap into your damn power. You may be a cook, a chef. And your meals are amazing. Everyone keeps telling you this, but you're insecure. Start that food business. Start by making plates. Make small steps. And I also have, yes, he, she is the one. Congrats. So, congratulations if you're getting married. And once again, let's see these professions. I have the local rapper, chef, yes, chef, hairstylist, librarian, undercover cop, playwright, mortgage loan processor, FBI, set designer, clerk, secretary, police officer, a judge, a nail tech, undercover fed agent, a stripper, a makeup artist. This sounds like a damn book or a movie. I'm sorry. Actress. This day your life was a movie. Video film producer, a novelist or a writer, and a waitress. You probably meet weirdos every day. But believe in yourselves. Y'all are fucking magical. You have the power to create whatever it is you want to manifest. Yes. Use your magical wand. Yes. The wand is for. It's the suit of wands is for to me. The suit of wands reminds me of Harry Potter. And you stepping into being a magician. Create, create, create. Believe in your damn self. Meditate. Go within. And believe in yourself. You can do it. God placed us here on earth to bring magic to life. All right, Cancer. If you want a personal reading, hit me up, madamjayhealer, gmail.com. Also, please click the link in the description box. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know if this reading resonates with you, but it's time to move forward. I'm hearing the time is right now. Stop being scared. Somebody has on a green sweater, a green shirt, green dress. That's what Spirit just showed me and told me. Spirit said, keep going. You are very talented. Don't give up. All right. That was the last message from Spirit. The person with the green shirt is wearing a green shirt, green dress, a green blouse. And also hearing a green suit. I'm sorry. So maybe 4 of you. 5 green shoes. Spirit says, tap in, jump all the way in, have faith. We believe in you. We got you. That's what Spirit said. Don't get spooked out. Spirit just told me that before I try to end this for the 50th time. But anyway, bye, Cancer. Till next time. See you.